How to build a daily English learning routine. Learning English effectively requires consistency and dedication. Creating a daily routine is one of the best ways to improve your skills systematically. In this guide, we will explore practical steps and strategies to build a routine that works for you, ensuring steady progress in your English learning journey. 1. Understand your goals. Before starting any routine, it's essential to understand your goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for work, travel, or personal development? Which skills are most important to me? Speaking, writing, reading, or listening? How much time can I dedicate to learning English daily? Having clear goals will give you direction and motivation. Write them down and review them regularly to stay focused. 2. Set realistic time commitments. Consistency is key, but your routine must fit your lifestyle. Start small and gradually increase your learning time as you build the habit. For example, beginners start with 15 to 30 minutes per day. Intermediate learners aim for 45 to 60 minutes daily. Advanced learners spend 1 to 2 hours on targeted practice. Choose a specific time each day, whether it's in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Sticking to the same schedule helps form a habit. 3. Include a variety of activities. To keep your routine engaging and cover all aspects of English, include a mix of activities. Speaking. Practice speaking aloud every day, even if you're alone. Describe your day. Talk about your plans, or repeat phrases from lessons. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to chat with native speakers. Join online speaking groups or clubs where you can converse in English. Listening. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or English songs. Start with materials that match your level. Watch TV shows or movies in English with subtitles to understand pronunciation and usage. Try dictation exercises by listening to a short passage and writing it down. Reading. Read simple materials like children's books, news articles, or blog posts. As your skills improve, move on to novels or academic texts. Highlight new words and phrases. Then look them up in a dictionary. Summarize what you read in your own words to reinforce comprehension. Writing. Keep a daily journal in English. Write about your thoughts, feelings, or daily activities. Practice writing emails, essays, or social media posts in English. Share your writing with a teacher or online community to get feedback. 4. Use technology to your advantage. Technology offers numerous tools to enhance your learning experience. Apps. Use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Anki for vocabulary and grammar practice. Online classes. Join platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or italki for structured courses and live lessons. YouTube. Follow English learning channels for free tutorials and tips. AI tools. Use tools like Grammarly for writing correction or speech-to-text software to practice pronunciation. 5. Track your progress. Monitoring your progress helps you stay motivated and identify areas for improvement. Here's how. Keep a log of what you study each day. Test yourself regularly with online quizzes or mock exams. Compare your performance over time, such as recording your speaking or reviewing old writing samples. Celebrate small milestones, like learning 100 new words or completing a speaking challenge. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. 6. Overcome challenges. Building a routine is not always easy. Here are some common obstacles and how to tackle them. Lack of time. Break your learning into smaller sessions throughout the day, like 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at lunch. Boredom. Rotate activities to keep things fresh. Try learning through music. games, or videos. Plateaus, if progress slows. Challenge yourself with harder materials or new methods, like joining a debate group or reading advanced texts. 7. Stay motivated. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep your motivation high by visualizing your goals, like imagining yourself confidently speaking English during a trip or presentation. Joining a community of learners for support and inspiration. Rewarding yourself for sticking to your routine, such as treating yourself after completing a course or reaching a milestone. 8. Customize your routine. Everyone learns differently, so tailor your routine to suit your preferences and goals. If you're a morning person, schedule study sessions early in the day. If you love music, incorporate English songs and lyrics analysis into your routine. If you're preparing for a specific exam, focus more on test-related materials. Sample daily routine. Here's an example of a 1-hour routine. 10 minutes, review vocabulary with flashcards. 15 minutes, listen to a podcast or watch a short video. 15 minutes, practice speaking aloud or with a partner. 10 minutes, read an article or book chapter. 10 minutes, write a short summary or journal entry. Adjust this routine based on your time availability and learning needs. 9. Be patient and persistent. Language learning takes time. It's okay to make mistakes and have slow days. What matters is that you keep going. Remember, even small daily efforts add up over time. 10. Keep learning fun. Lastly, enjoy the process. Explore topics that interest you. Play language games, or watch your favorite movies in English. The more fun you have, the more likely you are to stick to your routine. By building a daily English learning routine, you create a solid foundation for long-term success. Stay consistent. Embrace the journey, and watch your English skills grow day by day. What's your favorite way to learn English? Share your tips in the comments below.